how to fix YouTube sound no longer playing through Bluetooth device. So if you're playing YouTube on your Bluetooth device, then first make sure that you have connected the Bluetooth. So first make sure that you have turned on the Bluetooth on your mobile device, and then you need to turn on your Bluetooth on the Bluetooth device, right? So once you've done that, now what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that Bluetooth for 2 to 3 seconds and then go for more Bluetooth settings. Once you're here, you can make sure that you have enabled the audio option on the Bluetooth device. So for example, if I've choose the first one, you need to simply go for the settings, which is on the right side, and then here make sure that you have turned on the phone calls, and you can make sure that you have turned on the media audio. So the main thing is media audio. If you have turned that on, then you will have the sound on your Bluetooth device. So once you've turned that on, now you can go back, open up your settings. Once you've chosen, now you can go for sounds and vibration and scroll down, and here you will have audio super resolution. Tap on that, and then you need to turn on the YouTube. Once you've turned on the YouTube option, now you will be able to fix your problem. Now once you've done all of these settings, you need to simply go and restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your YouTube sound no longer playing through Bluetooth device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.